will cover the coding part. So now in this, I'll just be has in. So we need to edit text, one button, and one text view. Okay. So now what I will do over here, I'll just quickly write everything. To edit text, edit text, edit text. I'll write first edit, write a semicolon, and press Ctrl D. So that will duplicate the line, or Command D on your second edit, Command D on your Mac. And after that, we will be needing a button also, right? Button, um, get button. So it says to press Alt Enter to import the button. And after that, we will also need a text view. Text view will be answer. So now I'll quickly access all of them. First, I'll write first edit is equals to find view by id r.id dot first num semicolon. Second edit is equals to find view by id r.id dot second num. Okay, and then we will be getting the button is equals to find view by id r.id dot result button. Okay, and after that, the final thing, that is the answer, is equals to find view by id r.id dot what was that, result answer text. Okay, now we have access to all of these things. So now what we have to do over here, we have to write the get button is equals get button dot set on click listener new on click listener. So as soon as I press that, it will automatically complete all of the code for me, but for some reason my Android Studio got stuck, so I'll just pause this video. So as you can see over here, I've added this on click function, and now I'll define two strings. String that is first num, and string that is second num. You all know what is a string. And I will also, yeah, that's it. And over here I will also create a string that is the answer. Okay, yeah. So now we'll write first num is equals to find not find view by id first edit so after writing first num is equals to first edit dot get text dot to string. Similarly, I'll do the same for the second one. Second num is equals to yeah, second edit dot get text dot get text dot to string. This will basically do that thing. And now what I will do over here, I'll write answer is equals to, okay, so now it's a tricky part over here. The tricky part is that these two are strings, right? Now we cannot add both of them. So what we have to do, we have to create one more variable that will basically store our answer, like answer. Okay, and now what we have to do over here, we have to write answer is equals to first num dot. Okay, so now what we have to do, I'll show you. I know the answer, but since if you're a beginner, how would I solve this problem? So I'll just go ahead and search convert string to int Android Studio Java. I will go ahead and search something like this. So now there will be a website called Stack Overflow where you will be visiting this website if you are a successful developer. And we have to convert string to an integer. So this guy answered this thing, integer dot parseInt. So we have to write parseInt. So write integer dot parseInt. And now inside this thing we have to pass our what do you call it, string first num. Similarly plus integer dot parseInt second num. So it will perform the addition operation over here, and after that what I will do over here, I will now convert string, I'll now convert integer to string. So I'll write answer is equals to answer dot to string. So now what we have to do, now we have to search for the other one, that is convert int to string Android Studio Java. Well, I know the answer, but I'm just going to show you this answer. I mean, like, if you are a developer, how would you solve it? Okay, so we have to write string dot value of integer. Okay, remember one thing, you do not have to remember anything. Even if you do not remember anything, that's completely fine. Value of answer. So now what I will do over here is that I will be basically, first things first, I will check this thing over here. I will check if first num and second num are not empty. If first num dot equals empty, and which will basically tell that both of them are not equal. Both of them, if this isn't the case, only then we will execute the following code. Otherwise, we will ask the user to enter something inside the values. And now after this thing, integer parseInt first num plus second num answer. Now all we have to do is to just put the answer inside the text view. So I'll write, okay, so there is an problem over here. We will change this thing to num answer, because it is taking the value of this one. So I do not want to like write create some new problem, so I'll just change it to that. And now after that, yeah, and after that I will just basically write answer dot set text to answer. So let's see what happens now. Let's press play and let's cross our fingers. We'll write the else condition as well, don't worry about it. Let the Gradle build finish, and this should work properly. There are like 0 errors. So now let's write the answer like 11 and 11, that would be 22. Now if I write, so it's throwing us some error over here. It is telling that it is not throwing an error over here. We are just setting the text over here, and we are setting it to answer. So let me see what's wrong over here. So it is basically doing this thing, and let me just change something over here. Okay, you know what I will do over here is that I will write a toast. So I'll be writing a toast over here, and I will pass in the value of answer. Now let's see what is the Hmm. Well, I'll write get application context. Okay, I don't know what's wrong over here. Okay, let's run this application. It should work properly. Okay, we'll just make this thing as this. Okay. Okay, so the answer.set text is, so there is some issue over here, I guess, in my opinion. Okay, never mind. We'll just that is a string. It should give us an answer for some reason. I don't know why it's not giving the answer. Okay, we are not supposed to pass answer. We are supposed to pass answer with capital A. So let's see what is the output, because we are parsing in the int over here, and it's completely fine to find errors in your application. And I've purposely made some few mistakes over here in order for you to show what kind of mistakes beginners make. So when I press that, so this is giving us this value for this answer text. So the issue that we made over here is that if we just passed a wrong value over here, we have to pass the num answer. You see, I purposely made a mistake so that you can see what kind of mistake that we did. Well, and after that, now everything should be fine. Let me just write a comment line and press A over here, and according to me, everything should be fine over here. Let's see. Now 21, 12 should be 33. 33 is the answer. Your answer is 33. Now what if I just press this one? Nothing is happening, right? So we have to write an else condition over here. And else condition would be a toast telling that please enter some value. Okay. So now press this one. It's a complete addition calculator application. And I'll be giving a challenge as well in the next video, and you have to complete it and you have to complete that and send me the application on GitHub, and I'll be the critic for that application. Now if I write get result, please enter some value. So now if I write 21 and 21, that's 42, I guess. Yeah, that's 42, and that's it. Yeah, it's a very nice application over here. And in the next video, we will be probably learning about like many other complex things like intents and I don't know, videos, how to embed videos, audios, animations, and images. We'll speak about many other these things, many other things. So I'll see you all guys in the course. So till then, goodbye and take care.